Renee Rejoice, we grow here. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. I hope everyone is enjoying their fall, and some of us have hurricane weather and some of us just have heat. And here in California, we're just trying to stay away from the fires. So I wanted to come to you guys with my fall garden video tour because it's been a while. I've started a lot of seedlings. I got a lot of things going on. And so I thought I would come out and show you, okay? So here's the cucumbers. They're doing all right. They've just been really neglected, so I don't know if I need to do anything for them or what. I don't see no cukes yet, but they're there and they're bloomed. Hope they get some pollination. There's enough butterflies and moths in here to pollinate them. So, as you can see, see the butterflies? So pretty. Okay. And then this is the basil that I got from the grocery store. I harvested some of her yesterday. She just needs more harvesting for her to get more robust as the others. These are some peas. These are some green peas that I had. And this is my Jamaican sorrel that I started. Now, mind you, I have 2 more peas over here that need transplanting into the 5-gallon buckets. But I had one that I had waiting to go get transplanted as well, and something ate it, so it was just gone. All of these are, let's see if I can, broccoli. So I've got broccoli. All these are broccolis, okay? So I'll be transplanting the broccoli soon. What is this back here? Is this another peas? No, that's another hibiscus. So I have 2 hibiscus, and then I have something back here hiding. Let's see what she is. She's going to be lima beans when she gets started. So I'm going to move her closer to the front because, as you can see, there's some seedlings that just haven't done anything yet. This one had some cukes in there. Not sure the kind of cucumbers they were. These are doing pretty well. I've also had to add some more seeds to them too because a lot of them died out in here as well. So I don't think she's going to make it either because her tertiary leaf or her secondary leaf is gone. So she might not make it, but these are looking kind of strong. Sorry about that. I don't have my tripod on me today, guys. I just came back in and I wanted to do this video real quick. Oh, this lettuce. She looks like she's going to be going to seed. I mean, I harvested from her. It's time to just get the rest of these leaves off of her too. She didn't have a good, whatchamacallit. I planted some ginger. Okay, but there's nothing going on with the ginger. And remember those apple seeds I told you? My wife opened up an apple and had 6 seeds in it that had gotten roots. So there's something here. It could be an apple. I'm not sure. This is more hibiscus. There should be a whole lot more in here. I don't know what's going on with them. This is turnips. The turnip greens. All the turnip greens are so cute. They look like microgreens right now, which they kind of are. If you wanted to eat them now, you certainly could. This tomato is like all in the way. But she said, look, I was here first. So that's more turnips, more turnips. This is my new moringa. I planted some moringa that I got from the Black Seed Exchange. One of my seed exchangers gave it to me, and it's coming up. This is spinach. It has 2 little leaves in there. This is rosemary. I don't expect anything from her. Never have, never will. But this is the peas. I told you something ate it. It ate every single leaf all the way down to the base. I'm going to keep it because she looks like she still might survive. Okay, let's move our way over here. The corn still going strong. Well, I think I'm only going to get 2 ears, 1 off each. There's 3 there. 1 I'm going to save for seed. The kale in the back looks really good. This is the red mustards. And then that's the purple basil. These are the new fall seeds that I dropped for mustards as well. Or is that kale? That's kale. And then I have these pretty little girls right here that I've been harvesting every day for my little smoothie. I took the eggplant off. She was harvested. She might grow more. Who knows? All the peppers are here. And I know there's a marigold in there too because she's starting to wrap herself around the pepper. I'm gonna swing around here real slowly before we get to that. This bed here, I planted some peppers in here. Only one seems to have made it. That could be a sunflower for all I know, but I planted some, dropped some seeds in there. I dropped some more seeds over here. Look like there's a couple of seedlings, something going on down there. But this is one of those beds where I'm not having any luck. I got some peppers growing here. I made sure I picked off all of these. Somebody told me if you want to get your peppers to grow, clip those. I'm gonna be honest with you guys and tell you that the sweet potatoes don't look that good, but those are them. I have more peppers here. I have a tomato and a marigold living together here. I'm gonna go ahead and harvest these tomatoes. There's one here. There's another one here. I need to put my hair up. Sage. The sage is looking good. Down here is something new. I don't know what this is. That's one of my little volunteer mystery garden plants. I have no idea. It looks like pepper. More peppers. And my pan over here real quick. And I'm actually going to sit this phone down because I got to put my hair in a ponytail because these locks are killing me. And while I do that, you can have a look at the Oprah. Well, you can't quite see it, but ooh, give me one moment. All right, there's my okra bed over here. Looking really good. I actually dropped some seeds in some of the empty spots too, but I probably should have waited because I actually think I see peppers coming up over there too, because I planted some peppers and they never came into fruition. But I amended the dirt and now I think I see peppers coming up. That just amazes me. This is a volunteer. Now I planted some turnips here, dropped some turnip seeds in this bed. I put something in this bed, that bed, and that bed. But this looks like kale that made it from the last time I put kale seed in here. So this is going to be a mixture. And this is the watermelon. Okay. Now that's a male flower. I don't see a female. But there's more watermelon here in the pot. I don't know what it's going to do, but I'm just going to let it do what it wants to do. This is eggplant. Now, for some reason, I thought that it was eggplant mixed with something else other than the marigold that you see there, but that's the eggplant. Over here looks like spinach. And it is. No, it's not. Oh, cilantro. Whoa, I've been trying to get you all year. But if you can see, there's something else here, too. That's not cilantro. So there's a cilantro mixed with something else. And then this is the ever-growing parsley. Make tabbouleh with that. And then I dropped some more seeds in here on the side here. Hopefully we'll get some more parsley. This one has purple hull peas in it. I just got those from the Black Seed Exchange as well. And I just dropped those seeds. This is fennel. Oh my goodness. So that's what fennel looks like. I wondered. So, she's not looking too good though. But that's fennel. I hope she hangs in there. Okay. What is this? Spinach. And some squash. Have yet to have gotten a decent squash. Oh, she's just taking over. I need to transplant this. This is mustards. Let me see. Turnips. Okay. They need transplanting quickly. Or I'll just let whatever lives, lives. The tarragon, she seems to have died down. I hope she comes back. I never expected that from her. The blueberry's not doing too good. Rosemary, she's not doing too good. I never have luck with rosemary anyway, so I was happy to have her for as long as I did. But look at her. Look at this basil. She said, don't worry. Well, the tomato has some more tomatoes to be harvested. Okay, avocados looking good, although they did get a little burnt from the heat wave. I had to cut down this little bad boy, this grapevine. She was just going cray-cray as usual. Miss Moringa PC, I'm about to chop her down too. Harvest her leaves. Pomegranate looks good, still no fruit. Now we have a smaller pomegranate outside the door here. She has fruit on her, but this one does not. Okay, tomatoes looking good. Parsley looking good. Now I'll put some parsley in here, and I see some growing. Oh, that makes me feel so good. Look at that. Yay, we're gonna have more parsley. I got more spinach, more turnips. Okay, and so I'll put some more lettuce in here and hope that we'll get some more lettuce. But this is pretty much it, guys. This is my fall garden so far, and it might not look like a lot, but it was a lot for me to drop. It just really was. So let me get all my harvest here. Harvest my little tomatoes. I can't wait to see those okra get going. But again, thank you for visiting my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's the lemon tree. There's the peach. She already gave us the peaches. We harvested them and ate them. I see my thyme starting to come back. Back there, if you can see, is my oregano. You can't see it back there, but again, Renee Rejoice We Grow here. And oh, there's the mint. And thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I lost a subscriber, but that's okay. I got 55. Holla. So thanks again for coming to my channel. Share my videos if you want to. But this is my mini micro garden. This is our mini micro garden. And we put as much in this garden as we possibly could, just to try to sustain us for the time being, you know. And right now it's doing a wonderful job. Look at the tops of these purple basil. I don't know how to harvest basil seeds, but I'm sure that they probably just fall right back over into the pot. And there's a flower on this one. I don't know how you do it. If I knew how to do it, I would do it myself. But these flowers are so pretty. Okay, thanks again, and remember to do your best. Be blessed. And try to grow something. Okay? Thanks again for coming to my garden. Have a fabulous day.